have the Scrub Daddy scrub brush. This thing is cute and it has different uses. So you put your fingers and the little eyeballs, and then you can scrub down and it can actually use all of the different sides. You can put silverware inside its mouth, and that way it cleans all the different edges of that silverware. And this is the one, if you get it cold water, it is firm. When you get the warm water, it gets for a softer scrub. So this can clean all sorts of different surfaces, whether it's your stovetop, just dishes, just the little Scrub Daddy is amazing. We're gonna show you how. So when you get him with cold water, he's still very hard to be able to push in on. Now that we've had it in the warm water, it is definitely more flexible, but yet still has the rough edges to be able to clean up the surfaces, but it will move around for you. A lot different than what it did with that cold water.